Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Tech Solution. Today I will show you a quick trick in Excel. Imagine you got a list from your colleague or boss with some names and cities in front of that, and he wants you to kindly update the country name and possibly the flags as well. And imagine the list is quite huge and it could take a lot of day, and you need to search the country names if you don't know already, and if you know, you need to type it manually. So in the normal routine you could do like this. For example, Copenhagen, I would say Denmark, and if I know Lahore, I do Pakistan, and uh, so on so forth. And definitely you need to Google the flags and download it and manually update this. So it could take your whole day, maybe depending on the size of on the file. So I can show you how you can do it in less than a minute. For example, like this. uh, I have the same names here, and I have the cities, and you can see I have already populated the country and the flags. Let's say how you want to do. For example, here it's a Sunil L. So I want to move him to Delhi, and it should be India, and it is updated just in less than a second. So if you want to do this, let me show how you can do this. So let's remove this. No manual mark anymore. I would just select the column C where I have populated cities. So I would go here. You can see a menu on your top ribbon, data, and select data types. Here geography. I would select the geography, and here you can see this icon, insert data. I would just go and say country and region. So I would just do like this, and you can see the information was updated right away. And if I need to update the flag, so this can also be done in just less than a second. So I would go here and I would put image, and here you go. So this was quite easy, and if you want to increase the size of these images, you just increase the text, and it's here. So this is how you can easily do this information in less than a minute if you get this list to do update, and you can do it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so just subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon button so you get all the notification of my new videos as soon as they are available. See you in next video. Bye bye.